Hi, this is Professor Howard, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to upload files to our Omeka database. So every member of the class has been added as a user to the Boston's West End Omeka database. To access this database, you want to visit the link explorebostonhistory.org/westend/admin, and I'll place that link on our Blackboard page so you can access it easily. When you're at the login page, go ahead and type your username, and in your case that will be the first portion of your email address, and then everything before the @ symbol in your Wentworth email address. For the password, I initially set everyone's password as the word password with the lowercase p. Once you log in, you'll be inside the back end of our website. You'll be seeing the database that will hold all of the information for our site. So your job here is simply to upload your JPG, your JPEG files that you've created according to the assignment guidelines that capture in a two-dimensional format your SketchUp models of buildings for the West End. Most of you created a single building. That's great. If you did two that were side by side on one lot, we'll consider that one item. But a couple of students have gone ahead and created two separate buildings. So in those cases, you will be entering two items. So to do this, it's extremely straightforward. You simply click here on the left-hand menu, Items, and you can guess, Add an Item, the green button. Here you want to click over to Item Type Metadata, and under Item Type, click West End Model. Here you'll see that I have set up fields that will allow us to capture the information that we decided was important for the project. So this is all the information on the written report about your model. So you can go ahead and fill in these fields based on the information in your survey report. I tried to add some descriptive notes for each field to make it clear what we were looking for. So once you've gone ahead and done that, then click on the Add Item button, and that will create the item itself. This is the same area where you will upload your files, which is your image of the JPEG. So to do that, you click on Files, and then you use the Find a File, Choose File button to simply find the JPEG in your file directory on your computer hard drive. So as I mentioned, this is extremely straightforward. When you're done with this, you simply click the Add Item button, and you will have successfully added your JPEG to our class database. That's all you'll be doing in here for now. When you have completed the model in its 3D format, you'll want to follow the directions elsewhere on the lab instructions to submit that to our OneDrive file. Thank you very much. And please don't hesitate to ask if you have questions.